Good morning. I am Poland from AML department. Now let us discuss about the topic online grievance portal for students. First, the agenda. We'll see about the introduction, then the state of the problem. Students often face delays and lack of transparency in resolving their complaints through manual processes. An online grievance portal provides a quick, transparent, and efficient way to submit and track student issues. Then we'll see about the scope of the project, online submission and tracking of grievance, covers academic, administrative and facility issues. Then we'll see about methodology, architectural diagram, flow, algorithm used, design, use case diagram, class diagram, implementation, important code, segments, output results, then test cases, finally conclusion, future work and references. Then introduction, online grievance system. Students often face various academic, administrative, and campus-related issues that need timely resolution. However, reporting and addressing these grievance manually can be slow, inconsistent, and lack of transparency. With the growing number of students and complexity of administrative processes, it becomes challenging for institutions to efficiently track, manage, and resolve student complaints. Additionally, the absence of a centralized system can lead to lost complaints, delayed response, and decreased student satisfaction. Then statement of the problem. The problem at hand is the inefficient handling of student grievance due to manual of fragmented process. Students often face delays, lost complaints, and lack of transparency. A centralized online portal is needed to streamline grievance submission, tracking, and timely resolution. Moreover, the absence of a standardized grievance system can reduce student trust and satisfaction, affecting overall campus experience. Then the scope of the project. Why online grievance portal for students? The purpose of this project is to develop an automated online system to streamline the submission, tracking, and resolution of student grievance. The project aims to achieve the following objectives: ensures timely and transparent grievance handling, improve efficiency for both students and administrators, maintain a centralized record of complaints and resolutions. Then inclusions, user registration and login for students, faculty, workers, and admin. Online grievance submission by students, categorization of grievance, academic infrastructure maintenance, etc. Role-based access control for different users. Then we'll see about exclusion. No real-time chat or video support system. No AI-based grievance analysis or prediction. Not integrated with external government grievance portals. No mobile application. Then the data, user data including student, faculty, worker, and admin profiles. Grievance data such as complaint type, description, status, and timestamps. Secure storage of grievance record in a centralized database. System functionality, online submission of grievance by students, categorization of grievance, role-based access for student, faculty, workers, and admin. Assignment and resolution of grievance by concerned authorities. Status tracking and response update for grievance. Limitations. Limited to institution level grievance management only. Methodology. Requirement analysis. Then the system design, front end development, and the back end development. Requirement includes analyzing the requirements of students and administration. This includes identifying grievance categories, user roles, security needs, and workflow. System design. It includes both the front end and back end. Front end development is developed by using React, JS, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Backend that includes Node.js, Express.js to handle API requests. Methodology, online grievance portal includes identifying student and admin requirements, defining grievance category and workflows, designing secure user authentication. Development includes collecting functional and non-functional requirements, choosing MERN stack technologies, designing database schemes, application implementation includes student grievance submission and tracking, admin grievance review and resolution, status updates and notification. This is the architectural diagram flow. This includes the user layer, front end layer, back end layer. Then the front end layer that has client side, back end layer as server side. Then the security layer, JWT authentication, password hashing and include validation. Then use of MongoDB that stores students' details, database layers, grievance and status. Design use case diagram. UML diagrams are included. Use case diagram. A use case diagram is a graph of factors, sets of use case enclosed by a system boundary, communication association between the actors and users, and generalization among use cases. The use case model defines the outside. This includes student and admin. Then the general reports. In submit grievance, track grievance status, receive notifications, view and manage grievance, respond to grievance. Then the UL diagrams. This is admin page. Admin, view a grievance, respond to grievance, receive notification, generate reports. Other functions of admin. Then the although thousands of students attend the university, you will only the model the class called student, which will represent the entire collection of students. Then the sequence diagram, e-commerce example. This includes website, product page, then the sign up login page, payment page, then confirmation. Then sequence diagram, online grievance portal for students. This is just a diagram of a just the image of the grievance portal, which has the department, issue category, and description about the complaint. Track complaint status is it is used to check the status of the complaints. Then this is a sequence diagram. It shows of student web portal grievance system database. The student login gives a login request. Then the web portal validates the user. Then it moves to the grievance system. There it checks the database. Algorithms used. The project uses the following algorithm. Authentication algorithm used to verify student and admin login credentials. Validates username, email, and password. Ensures secure access using hashing and session. Grievance submission and tracking algorithm also used. Accept grievance detail from students. Generates a unique grievance ID. Stores grievance data in the database. Role-based access control. RBAC algorithm differentiates user roles. Control access to features based on your user role. Ensure students can only view their grievance. Then the project uses the following algorithms. Then the hardware and software selection. Hardware requirements. Processor Intel Core i3, i5 or higher. RAM minimum 4 GB is required. Hard disk 250 GB or above. Software requirements. Operating system Windows 10 or Linux or Mac OS. Front end technologies HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap or React.js. Backend technologies Node.js with Express.js, Django, Spring Boot. Database MySQL or MongoDB. Development tools Visual Studio Code, web browser. Then the implementation. The project is implemented using full stack web development technologies. The front end of the application developed using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. The backend is developed using Node.js. Important. These are the important code segments. It starts with an input data set. And we are getting the libraries or importing the models. Then the home page for user is the next step. Developing a code for the home page for user. Next, add page for user. This includes the page for users login and other informations. This is the output image of the grievance portal. In this, you will have a login page where users can log in and see and move into the website. First step, after browsing the online grievance portal website, the login page is displayed first. The student needs to enter valid login credential to access the system. If the student is a new user, they must register by providing basic details such as name and email and password. After successful login, the student dashboard is displayed. From the dashboard, students can submit new grievances, view grievances, status, and track updates. The admin dashboard allows administration to view all submitted grievance and update grievance statuses. When the grievance status is updated, the student can see the result or in progress status in real time. After browsing the online grievance portal website, the login page is displayed. This is the second image of login page, which shows an admin dashboard for the admins and student dashboard for students, in which students can register their complaints and give a short description, and they can track the status of their complaints and see in which state is the complaint, whether they have completed or the complaint is pending. This is an outlook for the online grievance portal for student. First, submit grievance online. Then, in, the students can track grievance status. Then, the real-time status updates. User-friendly interface. This is the